welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some really awesome fabric. I've just been adding to my stash, and I know I should stop and just get sewing, but every time I start to sew, something crazy happens and then I'm like, oh my gosh. So let me just share some of the new fabrics that I have, and we will play around with what I want to do with them. We'll see, right? Okay, so first up, I received two gifted fabric from my boss. My boss recently visited India for a business trip, and she picked up some fabric for me. Now, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to make with it, but I do have one favorite, and then there's the one that I'm like, it's really a wild card because it's just so different. So the first one, and the one I like, which I think I'll definitely make to wear with this top, is this black fabric. It is so pretty. What do you guys think? Look at it. I think I want to make a skirt with some sort of detail in the front. I think that would look really cute. Otherwise, I thought about making some wide leg pants with these because I think it would really look good. So those are the two ideas that I'm playing with for fabric, but it's very pretty, and I think I have about 2 to 3 yards of fabric here, and the detail is really pretty. Look at that. Oh my lord. And they're it's very delicate too, so I really have to take in consideration, you know, what to make with this, if this is going to get caught anywhere as I walk, and where I really want to wear this piece, because it's a very beautiful fabric and I don't want to mess it up. It's a gift and I want to really make something nice with it. So we'll see. The second one. Okay, so this one is crazy wild. It's like so hot. Look at this thing. It's really pretty. It's very heavy, and it's about 3 yards of fabric. So it's just an interesting fabric to me because of how heavy it is. I'm thinking maybe some sort of jacket would be the best option for this fabric. Not exactly sure. It's extremely loud. I do like bright colors, but I'm not sure how I feel walking down the street in fire engine red and gold. But yeah, I do like it. It's not like I don't like it. I think the design is crazy cool, and I'm gonna figure it out eventually, but my mind is really heading towards some sort of jacket with this fabric. The rest of the fabric actually came from S.R. Harris. I usually go to S.R. Harris in Minnesota probably twice a year, and I do a lot of shopping, especially now since Hancock is closing, and Hancock is really one of the stores that I usually always go to buy fabric if I don't go to fabric.com or S.R. Harris. But this set of fabric I have right now comes from S.R. Harris, and I really love that store. I go crazy. Everything is 50% off the marked price, so let's take a look. So the first fabric that I really wanted to make something really cute for the spring summer is this piece. It's very nice and light. It's a cotton lawn fabric, so it's really spring ready. I love the floral design. I think this is a really good buy, and usually I spend about $200, but this time I tried to keep it really tamed. I was like, okay, it's going to be under $100, but it wasn't. But still, it wasn't $200 for all the fabric that I got. But this is really good. This is about 2.5 yards of fabric, because I felt like I wanted to make some sort of shirt with this piece, but we will see what I decide. It's so cute. I have a dress in mind for it, but I'm not sure I have enough fabric. So if all else fails, this will be a shirt. Second fabric is, I want to get to the ones I want to show first, not the ones that are actually on top in the bag. Okay, I really love this knit fabric. Well, yeah, it's kind of like a knit. It's a sort of lacy knit fabric, so it's got a lot of stretch. that lace effect. I love the diamond shape in there. Definitely this can be an oversized tunic or one of those tops that I really dislike, boxy style tops that are on trend right now. But if I make one of those boxy style top with this fabric, it will be my style, because this fabric has a lot of drape, so it won't hold that square shape if it was a heavier, more structured fabric. So this would make one of those tops, but definitely this is for a blouse. The fabric I picked up was this fabric. It's really light, it's really cute, it's got a nice design on it. I think this would make a nice shirt, but also a very beautiful dress or skirt, because it's got a lot of drape and it's very fluid. You can see that it's very fluid, it's got a nice movement to it, so you can wear it as a dress or a skirt. Now, I don't know why I bought denim, but I am trying to prove to myself that I can make a jean. Lord knows, I don't know when I'll get to that level in sewing, but there's always hope, right? So I bought this stretch denim and I decided to go with something dark instead of regular denim, just in case I made a mistake, because knowing me, I would definitely make a mistake. So this one is cool. It's like a whole bag. I got tons. I like stretch fabrics, so when I go shopping, I always come back with anything that has a little elastic to it, elastine, nice stretch. I thought about making some sort of wide leg pants with this. Not sure how I feel about it. Now, this fabric hasn't been washed yet, so I don't know. I like the print, I like the color, and I love that it stretches. That would make a really great pants, so I like that. Next up, another one of those lace jersey knit stretchy fabric, but I really fell for this color. It's so beautiful. I love coral. Coral is one of those colors that I always gravitate to. I know I'm going to make a really nice blouse with this. I can also see it in a skirt, but definitely I think a blouse would be great because it will look really cute with white. Even a dress in this fabric really gives you a lot of options in the summer. Okay, so yeah, I like this fabric. I am going to be sewing this, and I really tried to pick up a lot of fabric that I can use for the time that I am in, which is spring and summer. Usually when I go shopping, I tend to buy for like the season ahead, and I never get to sew it. I really want to get out there and start producing a lot of more projects and getting them done. Last two. Now, for the life of me, I do not wear yellow, but I always want to wear yellow. I think yellow is a beautiful color, and I picked up almost 4 yards of this because I envision myself, my color just went crazy there. I envision myself making a very nice dress, something with a lot of flow to it, a lot of intricate pieces and details, and that's why I picked this color, and that's why I bought so much fabric, because I wanted something that was full and very feminine with this fabric. I saw this one, I made the block and went to the knit section, I went to the denim section, and then I came back and I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. And then I decided, okay, no, I'm not going to get it. I have enough in my cart. And then I went back and got it because I really like it. And finally, from SR Harris, I picked up this performance knit fabric because I am going to make one running gear for this year. I tried to do it last year and I was not successful. I had a lot of issues with my serger and the thread and the needles, so this year I'm going to try one more time to make some leggings for running and maybe a sport bra. So watch out for that one because I think that would be really interesting, and if it's a success, I'm going to be making more because I run a lot. The last set of fabric that I have to share with you came from fabric.com, and This one, I know exactly what I want to make with it. It's an inspiration piece, and it is from Oscar de la Renta. Okay, excuse that noise. So, I saw this dress, and I'm going to try to make it. I believe that I can. It's not gonna look exactly the same, but it's an inspiration. I really like the style of it. So I'm actually just tearing them out of the bag. I know the red is intense, but it's gonna look really nice. So this dress is from Oscar de la Renta. This is the first fabric to use to create that design. And this is the second fabric that I'll be using to create that design. I love the feel of this fabric. I love the coloring and the pattern. And just because I can't help myself, I actually bought another lace fabric. And I actually like lace a lot. I like stretch lace, but I think this is a cute fabric. Not exactly sure what I'm going to make with this one, but I think a throw would be cute over me with this piece. I know, I make a lot of crazy movements with my mouth, I'm sorry. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I am so sorry. I'm like folding and folding, and there goes all my fuzz from all this fabric. But that is my fabric haul. I'm thinking that there are about 5 pieces. Did I show you 5 pieces? I think I showed you more. Anyway, those are all the fabrics that I recently purchased and received as gifts. So in the coming weeks, you're going to see projects completed from that. And yes, I will probably buy more fabric in the near future. But for now, thank you so much for watching Running in Style. Check back soon for another video review of fabric, sewing projects, and everything in between. Bye!